During mitosis of the cell division of a somatic cell, M phase represents the overall mechanism of the cell cycle. The cell cycle is divided into four major components: G1, S, G2, and M phase.
Hold on. 1, 2.
During G1 stage, the cell organelles are multiplied. For instance, 2 mitochondria, 2 Golgi apparatus, 2 endoplasmic reticulum.
1, 2.
During S phase, only the DNA and chromosomes are replicated, starting from 46 chromosomes into 92.
2.
During G2 phase, the preparation of the cell division begins, and the cell is ready for M phase.
2.
M phase is divided into four major stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis.
When you said let me know. 2.
The beginning of prophase is marked by the appearance of the condensed chromosomes, and that corresponds to the breakdown of the nuclear envelope. Chromosomes consist of 2 sister chromatids, daughter DNA molecules produced during S phase. The condensed sister chromatids are then held together at the centromere by the kinetic cord, sequence of proteins which generates forces that move chromosomes during mitosis, which are then ready to be pulled apart by the spindle microtubules, which start to appear during this phase. In the cell, the spindle microtubules are embedded within the nuclear envelope, and the nucleus divides into 2 following migration of daughter chromosomes to the opposite poles of the spindle. During metaphase, the chromosomes are pulled to the center of the cell by the spindle microtubules.
You ready? At the count of 3. 1.
During anaphase, the paired chromosomes separate at the kinetic cores and move to the opposite sides of the cell. This results from a combination of kinetic cord movement along the spindle microtubules and through the interaction of polar microtubules. During telophase, sister chromatids arrive to the opposite poles of the new cells from around the daughter nuclei. The chromosomes disperse around no longer visible. The spindle fibers disperse and cytokinesis partially starts during this phase.
1.
During cytokinesis, a fiber ring composed of protein called actin contracts around the centers of the cell and 2 new daughter cells, each with 1 nucleus. The nuclear envelope appears, as well as the rest of the organelles, forming 2 identical new cells.